This GreenPan Swift Healthy Ceramic Nonstick 8-inch and 10-inch frying pan skillet set is designed for home cooks who want healthier cooking without sacrificing performance, durability, or visual appeal. This premium skillet set combines advanced ceramic nonstick technology with heavy-duty construction, making it a dependable choice for everyday meals as well as elevated cooking needs. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. From quick breakfasts to perfectly seared dinners, this two-pan set delivers consistent results while eliminating the concerns associated with traditional nonstick cookware. Built with GreenPan's original thermalin ceramic coating and reinforced with diamonds, these pans are engineered for daily use while maintaining effortless food release and fast cleanup. What truly sets the GreenPan Swift Skillet set apart is its toxin-free ceramic nonstick coating. Free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, these frying pans allow you to cook with confidence, knowing no harmful chemicals are released even at high temperatures. This makes them ideal for health-conscious households focused on clean, safe cooking. The diamond-reinforced nonstick surface improves durability while ensuring even heat distribution across the pan. This results in fewer hot spots, better browning, and more precise temperature control. Eggs slide out cleanly, vegetables saute evenly, and proteins cook without sticking or tearing. The heavy-duty pan bodies are engineered for strength and long-term reliability. They heat quickly and evenly, helping reduce cooking time while improving efficiency. These pans are suitable for all stovetops except induction, making them compatible with most kitchen setups. One of the standout advantages of this set is its oven and broiler safety up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows seamless transitions from stovetop to oven, perfect for finishing dishes or experimenting with advanced recipes. The riveted stainless steel handles provide a secure, comfortable grip and remain stable during extended cooking sessions. Cleanup is simple and convenient. Although the pans are dishwasher safe, most food residue wipes away easily with minimal effort. The ceramic coating resists staining and buildup, helping maintain the sleek black finish over time. Key features and benefits: diamond-reinforced ceramic nonstick surface that is metal utensil safe and highly durable. PFAS-free ceramic coating with no PFOA, lead, or cadmium. Even heat distribution for consistent cooking results. Oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Dishwasher safe for easy, everyday cleanup. Ergonomic riveted stainless steel handles for comfort and control. Who this pan set is perfect for. This frying pan set is ideal for home cooks upgrading to healthier cookware, busy families preparing daily meals, and anyone moving away from traditional chemical-based nonstick pans. It is especially suited for buyers who value safety, durability, and reliable cooking performance. Final verdict: the GreenPan Swift Healthy Ceramic Nonstick Frying Pan Set delivers an excellent balance of safety, strength, and cooking precision. With its toxin-free ceramic coating, diamond-reinforced durability, and oven-ready design, this set is a smart investment for long-term kitchen performance. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.